guys, welcome back to the Innovation Station at home. Today we're making four-wheeled vehicles. This is something that we make in the Innovation Station a lot during recess. So kids, this is your turn to tell mom and dad how to do it. Some of this requires tools. We pop holes into the plastic water bottle caps with a hammer and a nail. So families, discuss how you're gonna do this. Are you gonna let the kids do it? Is mom and dad gonna do that for you? This is something to discuss before you get started. Also, I'm protecting my table with a piece of cardboard and a cutting mat. So wherever you're hammering those nails into those plastic water bottle caps, make sure you're not damaging the furniture. So here we go. We're gonna show you how we do it, and you can have a lot of fun with this and do it a lot of different ways. So the first thing that we do is hammer that nail into the top of the water bottle cap. Okay, and then let's see. So that makes a nice hole in the top for our skewer to fit into. George is showing us how to put one wheel on the end of the skewer. And then most importantly, you don't want to forget that straw. The straw is the critical piece for rotating. Oh, he's forgetting the straw. Don't forget the straw, George. Okay, and then that wheel, you now have a working rod and axle. Once you get your rod and axle into place, all you're doing is laying that piece of tape on top of the straw only. Don't tape the stick down because it won't rotate the way that you want. Okay, so worst case scenario, you don't have any skewers and you don't have any straws at home. We went outside and we found a pretty straight stick and we made our own paper tube. So you take the stick, the paper tube, and the holes may have to be a little bit bigger on those water bottle caps, but with mom and dad's help, I think that you can make it work. See, Ellie's she's just making that hole a little bit bigger, and I'll help her get that stick secured. This is how to roll up a paper tube. You're just gonna roll that paper, get a little bit of tape, secure the end, and voila, your very own homemade straw. Don't drink water out of it though. Hi guys, so here are some of our finished products. Now, we just went around the house and found different ideas for making our vehicles. Ellie has a box. Off to George's side is a Pringles can and even a little tin. We thought those could make cool cars. You can always just cut a piece of cardboard, or look at Ellie's made her box out of a tissue paper box. So Ellie, show off your box. Or show off your car, excuse me. Ellie, what did you make it out of?
A straw, cardboard, and a tissue box.
Who's in there?
Hatchimals.
Hatchimals. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some other things before I show you George's. In front of Ellie, we tried to make one car, just in case you didn't have skewers on hand. We tried to make a car out of sticks and paper, but it did not really work. That was actually surprising. The sticks simply aren't straight enough. We thought maybe if you don't have any skewers at your house, maybe you could use pencils if you can't find really straight sticks. You would have to hot glue your water bottle caps onto those pencils though, so I don't know if that's a great option, but you guys can decide. You also just saw them send the berry box. The berry box is neat because it did not need any straws. We just stuck the skewers through the holes in the berry container. And then finally, George, will you please show us yours?
Me?
Yes, what did you make? How did you take yours to the next step?
It's wind powered. It's powered by a balloon. You blow the balloon up by the straw, and then you put it down, and it flies. When the balloon's blown up, it goes, and the air from the balloon comes out of the straw.
Awesome job, you guys. All right, good luck, Bobcat Innovators. We miss you. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
This is totally gonna work.